HP B2B portal provides business users with a single point access to intercompany data. The information provided goes beyond the ability to find out if the document was received and processed. HP B2B Visibility is an industry-leading solution for identifying business-related problems, like data discrepancies between related documents, compliance issues, and their corresponding financial impact. This is done through the customer or supplier-specific business rules, easily configured within the portal. This demo will highlight the dashboard capabilities of the portal. First, we'll take a look at Performance Dashboard. The Performance Dashboard provides a historical overview of the overall performance within the B2B processes. The line chart displays the volume information of the document received and the processes created. In the context of HP B2B Visibility, processes are groups of business rules applied to somewhat related documents. The name reflects the fact that processes in HP Visibility usually are closely related to business processes. For example, the procure-to-pay process used in HP Visibility could include order, ASN, and invoices that follow specific customer compliance rules. Clicking on the various graphs in the areas and links reveals additional details. We will see how this works a bit later. Just below, the statistics show the number of failed documents and processes. Other graphs show percentage breakdown of transactions, of processes received, etc. We'll take a look at the compliance page. The compliance page of the Performance Dashboard quickly highlights compliance issues based on the syntax and business errors. We can change chart view into the view list. Clicking on a specific error displays a list of processes that contain the issue. To show how this works, let's click on the order shipped after cancellation date. Now we see a list of procure-to-pay processes that contain this error. We will select one of the processes to view the information that can be seen there. This process is presented as a tree with the order being at the root. We see the order number here. Below, presented as a branches, we see line items within the order. Each line shows the product number, price, order quantity, ship quantity, and the brief and the billed quantity. Lines in green contain no errors, no issues. Lines in yellow contain warnings, while lines in red contain errors. By expanding a line, we can reveal additional details, including the other ways the item is referenced in the B documents, and links to the related documents with their number and creation date. Let's take a look at the line with the warning. We see an additional line with the message, shipping quantity does not match PO. Looking at the right, the order was for the quantity of 46, but 22 were shipped. Depending on the type of event, messages can appear at the line level, just as we saw now, or at the process level. In this case, they will be displayed at the bottom of the page. If we scroll to the bottom, we can see a message in red, order shipped after cancellation day. This is a message we are exploring. It means that the order was shipped after the cancel date specified in the order. To validate this, we can open the order and shipping documents. To open the order, we just simply click on the link beneath the order shipped after cancellation date. Or we can right-click to open the document in a separate tab. Well, you can see the cancellation date is April 16 and the requested ship date is April 11. If we open the shipping documents, we can see the date that it was shipped. Here we can see that the shipment was shipped on April 17th, one day after cancellation. Proactive notification can be configured on the portal to alert specific users of potential issues before they become a problem. For example, an alert can be sent to notify if the invoice has been successfully sent within a specified time frame after the goods were shipped. Users had the option to configure this feature on their own. When subscribing to the event, users can choose how often to receive the notification. Beyond the dashboard provided by the portal, standard customer reports are provided. This report can be exported. The most popular formats are Excel and PDF. Sometimes there is a need to find out the status of a specific transaction. This can easily be accomplished through the document page. Here you can specify sender and receiver of the document, date range, or just enter the document number in the search. If you don't know the full number, you can enter the portion of that number as well. The search result will include a link to open the document and the link to the associated process, with the status clearly identified by its color. This highlights some of the most important functionality of the HP B2B Visibility portal.